Okay, this will be, and it's a little bit boring, but we're going to make it into something hopefully look really nice. So let's just get in and do it. Okay, we're going to look at the enlargement when we put the original down. So we're going to go, I wonder if we're going to give it a background colour, maybe. So we're going to make it magenta, and we're going to go here. Looks like, well, let's see what we can do with this. Actually, we're not going all the way with the red. So we're going to warm it up a bit. Okay, let's see how this one goes. If we're going to make it negative positive, or maybe we'll do that later. We're setting it up a bit similar to a negative positive one in colours. So let's see. Oops, I just tried to rub my nose. I just bumped the phone. Anyway, this is what we're photocopying, a house. This is out of a Chinese real estate. You can see on the back all that Chinese writing. So vertically, it's almost an A6. Horizontally, it's a lot shorter than an A6. So we'll soon see how we go with this. So I think the horizontal is going to be more than 200. So we're going to make it 240. And the vertical might be a little bit bigger than 200, just a little bit. 202. It's going to be distorted. It's going to be stretched horizontally, should I say. Okay, let's see what our first take looks like. So finish and start. Okay, let's see how this looks. Whoa, that looks really strange colour-wise. You don't see that very often. It's a nice dark magenta, but it's not long enough. Horizontally, it's not long enough, but I do quite like it. It's actually very strange how it's come out. We're just going to go here, and we're going to stretch it more along the horizontal. We're going to make it 260. We're going to make this one 260 now, and let's see how we go. Alright, out it comes. Let's see how this looks. Whoa, it's getting close. We still have just one more little bit there. We just need a little bit bigger than 260. I had a feeling it was a little bit too short. So we're just going to go and we're going to make it 268. Let's see how that goes. I've got a feeling that's a little bit too long, but it might look good. It should hopefully look good. We'll see how it comes out. Right, that looks a lot better. Yeah, I'm wondering if that's how we're going to make it, like this. And I'm just wondering where the centerpiece is going to be for the mirror image, when we make our mirror image. Trying to think if it's there or there. This is a tough choice. I'm thinking it's there at the driveway end. Maybe that's a good thing. So now we're just going to print off another. Okay, out it comes. That looks really nice. It's a different type of result. At least the magenta is not the usual wishy-washy that you get on the positive images, or the first images that have it. But this looks really nice. Looks really exotic. It's taken a boring looking picture and made it look a whole lot more interesting. So now we're just going to punch in 2 sets. So we're going to make our mirror images. So let's see how we go with our mirror image. Okay, finish and then start. Okay, let's see how this goes. This looks good. So now we're just going to place our mirrors into the corners. So this is a little bit tricky. Just going to line up these little concrete thingamajigs. So just nudged it a little bit. See how we go. Stupid, it's fucking difficult. It's a little bit curly, I think, at the edge there, which is making it difficult to line up a little bit. Left hand feels a bit shaky in this position for some. I've just nudged it. Shit. Okay. I think it's okay. I think it's good enough. Okay, now that's kind of strange, but interesting. I think now the trees add a certain impact to it, so I think now we can call it quits.